A very good morning, Mark. Here it's Thursday, July the 17th, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, and that's 12 noon GMT. US session about to get underway. Let's have a look how the markets stand, starting as always with the US dollar index and strong performance through the Asian European session for the US dollar index testing yesterday's resistance level and been strong from the outset. No wick below the open at all. Strong uh, technically, and 98.51 resistance going to be tested now that the US session is underway. Alternatively, if we do see a turnaround and dollar weakness through the US session, it's of this area that we'll see the turnaround, but no sign of that right now. There's the hourly, and there you can see sitting at resistance. Buyers looking to test, break above this level, and sellers looking to come down, look down to the 98 support area. Let's have a look at the S&P. Still Still treading water and going sideways, been within this narrow range now for about a week and a half. So today in pre-market trading in the futures market, bearing in mind that Wall Street opens up in an hour and a half, what we have seen is a bit of a gap lower to start, but it's making up that lost ground. Small green candlestick. I've got support at 6,288, got resistance at 6,311, and uh, to start showing a little bit of demand. We'll see how that works out once Wall Street does open up and US stock markets are underway. Let's have a look at gold. Given up yesterday's gains, typical traditional inverse relationship, strong US dollar, weak gold, and that's exactly the way it's playing out right now. I've got resistance at 3,348 and support again at that 3,320 area. Third day in a row that support is being tested. Let's have a look on the shorter time frame. And there you can see how gold has been sold off all through since the start, since the open, and now testing 3,322 support going into the US session. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Also comfortable for now within this narrow range. Support 68.25, resistance 69.10. Today, a doji candlestick confirming lack of direction. Let's zoom in on the hourly. Slight strengthening to start, then came down in the Asian session, down to the support here at 68.25, and now in the European session and going into the US session, a fight back from oil, looking up here at the 69.10 resistance area. And then we've got Bitcoin. Bitcoin, since the breakout from last week through the weekend and the record highs right up here at 123,000, has come down since then and now hanging around in a relatively tight $1,500 range. I've got support at 117.6 thousand. I've got resistance at 119.3 thousand. EMA is about to cross to the downside. Sellers will be looking to break below this 117 area and looking down at the 115,000 area from 2 days ago, the low. Buyers, of course, will be looking to break above this 119,000, get back above 120,000, and the 120,000 is shaping up to possibly be a pivotal level going forward. Keep that discipline. Have a good day, and I will see you at the end of day session.